Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to upload high quality video on WhatsApp status. First of all, open Instagram. Click on profile icon. Go into settings. Then click on privacy. Click on story. From here, turn on save to camera roll option. Go back to the home page and click on your story. Select a random picture, then click to post a story. Then open WhatsApp. Click on My Status. Select a video you posted as an Insta story, which is downloaded automatically in your gallery. Post it as your WhatsApp status. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.